One thing I love about these dinner rolls is how easy it is for anyone to make it, even as a beginner. Welcome back to my channel. We are using one egg. Make sure your egg is at room temperature. We are using 125 ml of milk. We are using 1 tablespoon of your instant yeast. We are using 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to mix all of this together. Once I mix it together, I'm going to go on now to add 2.5 cups of bread flour. Yes, bread flour. Bread flour will give you the texture we are going for. After mixing my dough together, it's going to be like this. I'm going to go on now to add in more warm water, not cold water, warm water, until I can get my dough together. If you're in Nigeria, you can skip the milk and just use warm water. But if you must add milk, make sure it is powdered milk dissolved in the 125 ml of water. Don't use evaporated milk. If not, your dough will be dense. I added 40 grams of butter after getting my dough together. I'm going to knead my dough with my butter for like 3 to 5 minutes. Your dough will be sticky while kneading with butter. It is fine. At this point, I'm going to cover and allow my dough to relax for 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. Have you watched till this point and you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen? Do subscribe, do like and share. Do comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. Thumbs up this video to help YouTube to push this video to more persons like you that want to learn how to make dinner rolls for her family or his family this Christmas. I'm going to take my dough out of my pan. After allowing it to rest for 20 minutes, I'm going to go on now to knead my dough for 5 to 10 minutes until it's a bit stretchy and smooth. If you can go for 10 minutes, fine. If you are okay with 5 minutes of kneading, is also okay. Yes, these dinner rolls, they are so easy to make. If you follow my procedure step by step, you will get it in your first try. I'll assure you. This is after kneading. I'm going to go on now to divide my dough into mini balls or mini portions. Now, the trick about getting the perfect dinner rolls, apart from the kneading and the ingredients, is the weight. Your dough, the weight must be perfect. And I discovered 50 grams is perfect to give you the perfect dinner rolls in terms of size after proofing. So all this dough here weighs 50 grams each. So I'm just going to just roll them into mini balls and get ready to set them in my pan. 50 grams is perfect. If you have a weighing scale, it will be fine. But if you do not, just make sure your dough look fairly the same. So this is me arranging them in my pan. After which I'm going to brush with my egg wash. Just break 1 egg in a cup or a bowl and let your dough proof for another 20 minutes. Make sure you keep it in a warm environment. This is after proofing. We're going to bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Yes, do not leave it for more than 20 minutes. If not, it's going to get burnt. I did brush with melted butter to give it a shiny and an appealing look. And this is what we got at the end of the day. Guys, it's so soft, fluffy, and delicious. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share, and subscribe. And see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Good to have you here. See you next time.